But first, the first day of the trial for the man accused of shooting and killing a Rio Rancho police officer ended with intense video from that night.
The prosecution played video and audio from the scene just seconds after Greg Nigel Benner was shot. News 13's Marissa Lucero is in Los Lunas with the very latest. Marissa?
Dean, Jess, in that audio, you hear Officer Benner run the license plate to the Dodge Durango he had just pulled over. Now, those came back no good. Then, minutes after he shot, you hear fellow officers arrive and try to save his life.
Come on, Nigel. Come on, Nigel. Come on, guys.
Prosecutors in the case have to prove Andrew Romero was there at the time of the shooting. In opening statements today, they said they'll bring out evidence that links Romero to that crime, including the gun used to kill Benner and keys to the Dodge Durango they say investigators found in Romero's pockets when they picked him up the next day in Albuquerque. Romero is accused of gunning down Officer Benner after he pulled Romero and his then-girlfriend Tabitha Littles over for a traffic stop in Rio Rancho on Memorial Day last year. Investigators say the duo was looking for places to rob at the time. Today, the defense focused on the state's key witness, Littles, who last month took a plea deal for her testimony.
She made up a story about how she got there. A big story. A story that doesn't match anything else. You know what? It wasn't a story. It was a lie.
Tabitha Littles pled guilty to 2 of the 6 charges against her: conspiracy to commit armed robbery and harboring a felon. But before she is sentenced, the judge says he wants to make sure Littles testifies truthfully or she won't get the deal. The state also called up a 17-year-old girl who was with her dad in the Albertsons parking lot the night of the shooting. She told jurors that she saw Benner as if he was reaching for his weapon, but she didn't see who was in the SUV. Back to you guys.
All right, Marissa, thank you. Romero was wanted before the shooting, but a judge ruled that cannot be brought up in court. However, Romero is accused of an armed robbery in Albuquerque 5 hours after Officer Benner was killed, and the judge ruled that can be presented at trial.